Welcome to the best picks. The best Bose Cinemate Series II remote is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for home theater enthusiasts, offering seamless control and a user-friendly experience to elevate your movie nights. This in-depth review will explore its features, functionality, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right remote for your Bose Cinemate Series II system and providing insights into what makes it stand out from the competition. Number 5. HQRP Bose Remote Control. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Bose sound systems. It works seamlessly with your existing equipment, providing easy control. No complicated programming is needed. Simply insert the included battery and start enjoying effortless control of your Bose system. This HQRP remote is designed as a direct replacement for your original Bose remote. It provides the same functionality with added convenience. It's compatible with Bose Solo 10, 15, and Soundbar 2 systems, as well as Cinemate 10, 15, GS Series 2, and 1SR systems. Enjoy full control over your home theater setup. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 100-day warranty for your peace of mind. Get the replacement you need, worry-free. The remote comes with a battery already installed, so you can start using it right away. No extra steps required. What we like. It comes with a battery and requires no setup, making it incredibly convenient. Plus, you get a 100-day warranty for peace of mind. If you value ease of use and a risk-free purchase, this is the remote for you. What people say. It only has 4 buttons, but that is all you need for this particular Bose unit. It worked right out of the box. It's very small and slim, but durable, effective and reliable. Number 4. YJY Bose Soundbar Remote. This remote is compatible with several Bose soundbars. It works with the Cinemate Series II and IIGS, as well as the Bose Cinemate 1SR, 10, and 15, and the Bose Solo 5, 10, and 15 models. It's so easy to use. Just remove the plastic piece and insert the included CR2025 battery, it'll work immediately. No complicated setup required. This remote is made from durable, high-quality materials. It's a perfect replacement for your old or broken Bose remote. Please note that it is not compatible with the first-generation Bose Cinemate 120, 130, 520, or other models. This is a YJY shop product. It's the ideal replacement for your Bose Solo 5, 10, or 15 remote, and also works perfectly with your Bose Cinemate 1SR, 10, 15, Series 2, or IIGS remote. What we like. This remote is ready to go right out of the box, no pairing or programming is required. It's also built to last with high-quality materials. If you need a reliable replacement that works instantly, this is the one for you. What people say. The remote is also very sturdy and heavier than I thought it would be. All I had to do was pull the tab from the battery compartment and it worked immediately. No programming needed. The remote does feel good in the hand, and works great. So I can confirm it will work on a Bose Cinemate SR1. Number 3. Bose Soundbar Remote. This remote is designed for various Bose soundbars. It works with Cinemate Series II and IIGS, Cinemate 1SR, Cinemate 10 and 15, and Solo 5, 10 and 15 models. Using it is a breeze. Simply insert the battery and you're ready to control your soundbar. No complicated programming needed. This is the perfect replacement if your original Bose Solo 5, 10, or 15 remote is broken or lost. It's a seamless replacement. It also replaces the remotes for Bose Cinemate 1SR, Cinemate 10, Cinemate 15, and Cinemate Series 2 models. Get full functionality back. The package contains 1 replacement remote control and 1 CR2025 battery, everything you need to get started. What we like. Simplicity is key here, it's plug and play with no complicated setup. A battery is included, so you can start using it immediately. If you prioritize ease of use and convenience, this remote is perfect for you. What people say. This one is good quality and worked right out the box. Came with a battery and holder too. This little unit worked perfect. The first thing I noticed when opening the package was that this was better than my last replacement remote in construction and feel. There is a little more weight to it, it is a little larger in all dimensions, and the rubberized face has raised rings around the buttons so they are very easy to distinguish in the dark. Number 2. Bose Replacement Remote. This remote is designed to work perfectly with your Bose Cinemate Series II, IIGS, and Solo 5, 10, and 15 soundbars. It's the perfect replacement for a lost or broken remote. No complicated programming is needed. Simply insert the batteries and you're ready to control your sound system. Please note that batteries are not included, you'll need a CR2025 battery to power it. It's an easy swap, and readily available. It's important to check that your model is listed as compatible before purchasing. It works only with specific Bose models. This remote will not work with older Bose Cinemate models such as the first generation, 120, 130, or 520. Please verify your model number. Once you have it, you'll enjoy effortless control of your Bose sound system. Get yours today. What we like. This remote is designed for a seamless user experience, requiring no programming. It's a cost-effective solution that works flawlessly. If you're on a budget and need a reliable replacement, this is a great option. What people say. This one works perfect. Works great with the Bose Cinemate Series II. This arrived in 2 days and bingo, I was good to go. Number 1. Bose Solo Cinemate Remote. This is the Bose Solo Cinemate Universal Remote, designed for seamless control of your entertainment system. It simplifies operation and makes managing your audio and video components a breeze. It's compatible with your Bose Solo TV sound system and Cinemate home theater speaker systems. Enjoy effortless control at your fingertips. This remote works with your Bose Solo and Cinemate systems, as well as most video components connected to your TV. It's the one-stop solution for all your entertainment needs. No more juggling multiple remotes. This universal remote simplifies your setup, letting you control everything from one convenient device. It uses infrared signals to communicate with your devices. This ensures reliable control and easy operation. Experience the convenience and simplicity of managing your entire entertainment system with just one remote. It's designed for ease of use and ultimate control. What we like. It's a universal remote, controlling not only your Bose system but also most video components connected to your TV. This means a simplified setup and a single remote for all your entertainment needs. If you want to consolidate your remotes, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It was simple and easy to set up, and it operates my Bose Solo sound system, plus my TV, Cable 1 DVR, and my DVD player. It has all functions with the single exception of not opening the disc tray on my DVD player, and it might do that if I knew which button to press. It is very well made and reduced me using 4 remotes. The signal it sends is stronger than other remotes I have had. So I do not have to aim it perfectly at the item to get it to respond. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.